Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue. While using scriptbook 5 in the GTA 5, you got an error, can't load required DirectX libraries. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. There are two simple and easy fixes to resolve this particular issue. First of all, open this Microsoft website where you can download the DirectX into your PC. Scroll down and click on this download link to save DirectX into your PC. Once it is downloaded, launch it and install the DirectX into your PC, and hopefully the issue will be fixed. If not, then I have few files. Here is the link of these files. Copy the link from the description of this video, paste right into the browser and then hit the enter key. It's a mega link, so go ahead and simply download these files into your PC. Save them into your system. Once these files are saved, open the zip folder and here you will find few files of DirectX. Select all the files, right click and choose option copy. After copying the files, you need to open the game directory. At my end, the game is installed in this PC, F drive, Rockstar Games, and here is GTA 5. Right over here, just right click and choose option paste to paste these files right into the game directory. Once all these files are pasted, go ahead and relaunch your game and the issue of cannot load required DirectX libraries will be completely fixed. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.